It's rare to be able to work out of passion instead of necessity. And at Hampshire, it's nice to know that everything I do, I really do because that's what I want to be doing, and because it, in one way or another, is enriching to me or to people around me. My name is Luka. I'm studying studio art and sculpture. I'm entering Div 2 in the spring. This is my first wax casting that I did last semester. When you imagine that anything that can be made with wax can be turned into metal, it just really expands the ways that you can imagine making jewelry. I just like to be able to branch out my artistic practice as much as possible. So it's nice to have access to welding and soldering. So this is an example of a finished piece. It's an acorn, and these two are dogwood berries with a little moonstone bezeled in the center. I love just making these forms out of natural materials. Independent classes are really hard to come by at most institutions. I've found that I work a lot more and a lot harder just when I'm able to sort of be self-motivated.